What do I need to do to initiate a refund for Nintendo Switch Online?
Hello, Nintendo Switch Online users. Ever found yourself needing to initiate a refund for your Nintendo Switch Online membership but aren't sure how to go about it? In this video, we're going to break down the process step by step so you can manage your Nintendo membership with confidence. Note, as of my last update in September 2021, Nintendo typically does not offer refunds for digital purchases or subscriptions, but it's always worth reaching out to their customer service to discuss your situation.
Confirming your subscription details.
Before reaching out to Nintendo, first check your subscription status and details. 1. On your Nintendo Switch console, select your user profile from the top left corner. 2. Then, navigate to User Settings. 3. Scroll down and select Nintendo Switch Online. 4. Here you can review your subscription details.
Contacting Nintendo customer support.
If you decide you still want to request a refund after confirming your subscription details, you'll need to contact Nintendo customer support directly. 1. Visit Nintendo's official website. 2. Navigate to the Support section. 3. Find the contact information for your region's customer service. 4. Reach out to them via phone or email to explain your situation and ask for a refund. Remember to have your account information on hand. Please be aware that as per their policy, Nintendo may not grant a refund. It will likely depend on your specific situation and the laws of your region.
Alternatives to a refund.
If a refund isn't possible, don't lose heart. You can still cancel your auto-renewal to prevent future charges. 1. Go to Nintendo Switch Online, under your user settings as we did in Section 1. 2. Choose Check Membership Status. 3. Select Terminate Automatic Renewal. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Remember, canceling the auto-renewal will not end your current subscription prematurely, but it will prevent future charges once your current subscription expires. That's all there is to it. While obtaining a refund may be challenging due to Nintendo's refund policy, hopefully, this guide has given you a clearer idea of what steps to take. If all else fails, remember that you have the option to cancel the auto-renewal of your subscription. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!